You think he'll come back? No. You said you killed her mother. Yes. Let her live. She would have taken you back to her people. And those people are bad, Jacob. Very bad.